The materials to make slime include baking soda, glue, a plastic cup, a spoon or a popsicle stick, food coloring, and saline solution. The first step is to color the glue. Put 1 drop of food coloring, whatever color you may want, into half a cup of glue. After you add the food coloring, the next step is to add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. After this, you can start stirring. Make sure that you stir the mixture well enough so that it looks consistent. Once you have a nice consistent mixture, add 2 teaspoons of saline solution and stir. For this, you will need to stir a little longer to make sure that the slime starts to get sticky, as you will see it stick to your spoon or your wooden popsicle stick. Once you have stirred the mixture well enough, take the slime out of the cup and mold it together by rubbing it into a ball with your hands. This may take some time, but eventually it won't be as sticky and it will turn into a perfect ball.